Facebook. I have been thinking about some things. About humans. Yeah. Because humans, humans and animals, by the way, humans always think that that they are better than animals. That humans have more rights than animals. That animals have no rights, almost no rights. And I am like, if a dog bites a human, that hurts like hell. That's true. I have been bitten one time. It's somewhere on my hand. I don't know if you can see it. But well, it wasn't a dog fight. So I had to save the other dog. And the angry dog bit me in my hand, in my arm. And I was bleeding. And I was screaming because I was angry. And I was angry at the dog later. Because I was not able to work for one day. But does it mean that I wanna let the dog put down? I was able to do it. Because that dog is fighting a lot. But he has problems. But does it mean when a dog has mental problems that you have to put him down? There are lots of people with problems in their mind who are fucking crazy and fucked up. If we have to kill all that people, then it's gonna be a very nice world. Really. And also not so, it's an empty world then. It's only animals and some humans. It's, I was watching the story about that monkey, that gorilla. Somebody on CNN News, something like that. He said, how did he say it? There is no animal life more important. There is no single animal life more important than a human life. What the fuck are you then? A human. Where do you think we fucking came from? We are animals. The fucking end. Only our big problem is animals don't have much problems. They live their life the way they do it. They do what they do. The end. But we animals, humans, we have also a brain, but our brain is working a little bit more than the brains from animals. If our brain is working the same way like the brain from animals, then it's way much better. Then you kill because you are hungry, you have to eat. Or you kill another animal because it's weak. Then also a lot of people are gonna, they have a good reason for it. We humans, we kill other human beings because we want power. Or because, you don't believe in that, so I shoot you in the head. It's like an animal. You don't like that plant. Okay, I hate you. I gotta kill you. It makes no sense. It's sick. Sometimes I feel ashamed to be human. It sounds like a disease. What do you have? I have human. Is it deadly? Yes. But well, okay. Yeah. People can learn something from animals. I still believe in that. it's if an animal is doing something that we don't understand, then we shoot it. Because we are scared. That's the whole fucking problem. Okay, animals also kill another one when they are scared, but use your body power. Don't use a gun or something. That's weak. Also in the wars, they all use guns. I am like, use your power. Then I maybe will respect you, but yeah. I am like, I have met a lot of fucked up people in my whole life. And very little group, very little. I can say they have the same love like animals have. Yeah. So maybe they are also animals. And if I call you an animal, then it's very good. It's yeah, animals don't hurt you. Okay, you don't have to, you must not hug a lion or a bear or any dangerous animal. But you know that. It's not that little Bambi is like, oh, I gotta hug Simba, cool, Simba. Yeah, Simba is like, I am hungry. Yeah, sometimes Simba is not like, I am hungry. I already have eaten, so you can do your thing, little Bambi. But that's the circle of fucking life. That's the circle of life, yes. But how we live it, it's not a circle. It's the circle of life how we make it. So we fuck up whole life. And it's true. Yeah. Also using internet and energy, power to do all of this. We also fuck up the planet. So I also fuck up the planet. Sorry, stomach. Yeah. To make it short, animals have done and still do a lot more for me than humans have ever done. Yeah. So we can learn something from them. And that's what I wanted to say. And if you think different about it, I want to say put it in your ass and never put it out again. Or in your eyes. I don't care. So, this little tiger is coming off. Crazy.